Welcome back, my dear creative friends. Today I will take you into a world where imagination lives inside old jars. Pine cones, whisper stories, and every handmade craft carries the warmth of Christmas love. This is the story of Little Workshop, a place that did not sparkle with gold, with heart. Once upon a time, snowy evening in a small village at the edge of the forest stood a cottage with a dusty attic. In that attic lived Mia, a young girl who loved collecting broken things. Old buttons, torn ribbons, burnt out candles, and pieces of paper that others threw away. People laughed and said, Mia, what will you ever do with this junk? But Mia only smiled and whispered, one day they will all become something beautiful. That winter, just before Christmas, a terrible snowstorm that hit the village. Shops were closed, roads were blocked, and no one could buy decorations for Christmas evening. So Mia climbed up to her little attic and opened her boxes of junk. She started with pine cones she had gathered from the forest last summer. She dipped them in flour and a little glue, creating a soft snow-like sparkle. Then she took pieces of an old red sweater, cut into hearts and tied them around the pine cones. From paper scraps she rolled a star, from used ribbons she made bows, and when she lit a candle beside her crafts, her attic began to glow like Santa's own secret workshop. Her cat Snowball watched quietly as the little room filled with glitter and laughter. Meanwhile, down in the village, people were worried. Without power, their homes were dark, their trees bare, and the spirit of Christmas seemed lost. Children peeked from windows, whispering, will Santa still come tonight? Just then Mia appeared, holding a basket full of her handmade crafts. She went door to door, hanging pine cone ornaments on trees, giving paper stars to children, and placing jars with candles in windows. Slowly, one by one, the village began to shine, not with electric lights, but with handmade ones. Every jar she lit carried warmth, every ornament carried love. And people realized that Christmas light does not come from plugs or bulbs, it comes from hands that give. As the night grew quiet, Mia returned to her attic, tired but happy. She looked at her last craft, a tiny angel made from cloth, strings, and an old button. She placed it on her window and whispered, Happy Xmas, whoever you are up there. At midnight, a soft knock came at her door. When she opened it, she found no one, only a small parcel wrapped in silver thread. Inside, there was a note that read, For the one who shared light when the world was dark, Santa's helper. And beneath the note was a beautiful golden ribbon, the kind she had always dreamed of using. Next morning, the sun shone over the village. Children ran through the streets showing off Mia's craft. Neighbor brought her cookies, cocoa, and warm hugs. Mia used her golden ribbon to make a wreath for her door, simple yet shining. She hung it proudly, and the wind carried her words across the snowy air. Christmas is not about what we buy, it's about what we make, with love, patience, and a little sparkle. From that day, every year the village celebrated a new tradition. They called it the craft of Christmas. Families gathered not to shop but to create together. And up her attic, Mia smiled, knowing that her little workshop had changed the heart of Xmas forever. So, my dear friend, as you sit at your own table this season, surrounded by paper, ribbons, pine cones, and jars, remember Mia the story. Don't wait to perfection. Create something from your heart, because the most beautiful decorations are not the ones that shine the brightest, but the ones made with love. Keep crafting, keep dreaming, and let your hands tell the story of Christmas. I will see you in the next video, where we will turn simple things into holiday magic again. Happy festival for my creative heart to yours. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you. Be a part of this journey.